Alright, so today we are going to be replacing the chain slide and glide kit, as well as the chain guide and the front sprocket. So I'm showing you right here what I did to lock the wheel up and the chain, and that way I was able to actually break this nut free, this bolt free I should say. Yeah, I guess I didn't get that on camera, but yeah, it took a little while to figure out something to lock it. It definitely wasn't working with just the rear brake, I can tell you that. So yeah, I literally put a wrench in it, and that did it. So next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take the master link out and get this chain off. Yeah, so this isn't incredibly necessary, but I was just trying to set it up there without it getting on the ground and getting all dirty and whatnot. But yeah, so here's about the time where I found out that the 15-tooth sprocket is not going to work. As much as I really wanted it to give me some extra gearing in there, I had to resort to the 14, so that sucks, but it wasn't that expensive anyways. So I went ahead and decided to take off the chain slide kit there. It's 3 bolts, one on top, one underneath, and then one up towards the front. I don't think I got it on video actually, but I also changed out the roller. I don't know, I might find that later, but I have no idea what I did with it, but I did that at some point, so I did that too while I was at it. Yeah, so you're going to want to kind of fit this on with your gear. Sometimes you can kind of squeeze it in behind it, but yeah, you should kind of put it on with it. That way it goes through minimal damage in the process. Just saying. Oh yeah, so here's something really cool I kind of figured out. So it looks like some kind of special tool, but I actually just literally put a bolt. It was like a 15 or 19 millimeter bolt head right there, but I put it through a rubber hose, and it actually kind of locked that gear up pretty well. And it didn't even spin very much when I went to actually torque it to a real torque setting, so it must have got pretty tight. I got it to the point where it was actually slipping through the guard or the chain slide there, so I pulled it up, pulled it out. Yeah, so yeah, just find something that's stuck in there to lock that up, but isn't going to, mark anything up or scratch anything, and then get the chain back on there. Alright, this part's pretty straightforward. The kit came with 3 new bolts to install this, so I just wanted to basically put my chain through it, get my bolt, put it in there, and lock it in. That's pretty much be it. I picked that one because that's the one that actually just threads in right there. The other two actually are a nut that goes in the back of them, so that one is a good one to hold it up. Alright, and once I get those all torqued down, I'm going to go ahead and start adjusting this chain. And it takes a little bit back and forth here. So you gotta kind of punch it back to kind of loosen it up. Give us some room here to make some adjustments. Then I'll punch it forward to get it close enough, or as close as I can, so we can try and connect the chain. I'm gonna have to do that a couple times. Alrighty, that should pretty much finish our chain up. We just gotta put that master link on there. If you get it in the right spot, all you gotta do is just kinda hit it with them pliers and it'll snap right on there. If you push it in though, kinda helps guide it in a little bit there. Alright, so I'm gonna finish making some final adjustments to my chain here. I guess a good rule that they like to say is, you know, if you can fit 3 fingers in there on the top. So eventually I kind of adjust it down to that. I'm not sure if I really show me put my fingers in it at this point. But, so I realized I didn't put these in yet, so finish up putting those 3 screws in. One up right up there. And we got one back behind it up top, then one underneath that on the bottom. Yeah, I didn't do a very good job filming this, but I cleaned this up just to install the Polisport swing arm protector at this point. So this was actually as far as I went with this one. I didn't finish installing it because I wanted to take it for a ride and let the chain expand, make some more adjustments before blocking that adjuster bolt there. So I put these on later. So yeah, that'll pretty much wrap it up. Thanks for watching.